Hello everyone สบายทุกคน test the boat out ลองเรือนี่โอเคไป Today is Sunday วันนี้วันเสาร์วันอาทิตย์เราใน San Diego right now จะอยู่นอกอยู่ในทางเรือ San Diego we're fishing on my boat just sit back อยู่บนเรือค่อยลายเป้look นี่ก็เป็นบ้างไหมAlright, we're fishing now. Okay, just sit back lah. Say hello, Kallen. Vin. Yeah. Let's go, let's go. Bye. Beautiful look, everyone. Ngam này, con bưng mày. Thought I had a hit, man. I think we might have a little fish. Let's see. Oh no, I think it came off. No, I thought I had a fish, man.
Could have been bad.
Oh man, look, something bit it. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh, it probably came off already. Took too long. Yep. Dang. Oh, look, it got bit too. Wow, it got hit. All right, reel back up. We gotta go around. Reeling, don't stop. Come on, Chummy, it's a fish. Woo! Get him, Chummy, get him. Keep reeling, go, reel. Don't stop. It's not stuck. Come on. You can do it. Watch out. Real fast.
As fast as you could.
Oh, reel. It's a fish.
If you don't get it, you gotta dive in there.
Oh, look at this.
Oh!
Hold on. Leave it there. Let me get the net. Oh, look at Chummy. Whoa, look at Chummy. Woo! Yeah, it's a spotted baby bass. Woo! Good job, Chummy. Talking about it was stuck. Look at that. How you feel?
It feels good.
Yeah.
That's why you do it.
How you feel, Chum?
Good.
Yeah, the first fish on the boat today. The spotted baby bass.
Is it bass?
Yeah. Watch out, Cal. Here. These guys don't want to pick it up.
I'm scared. I'm scared too, bro. I'm not a fishy one.
Stand right there, look. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, we're gonna release it. We ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, Chummy. Keep on reeling, don't stop.
Kill, but don't do it.
Ooh, look at that face. Smiling. Yeah. Keep reeling. It's a bigger fish.
Kill, body.
Keep going.
Kill head.
Come on, Chummy. Oh my God. It's okay. Don't lean over too much. Oh yeah, get him, Chummy. It's a nice fish. Let's see what it. Oh, keep reeling. Oh, okay, stop. Bring close. Step back. That means walk backwards.
Walk on yang kapคืน
Alright. Yeah. Woo! Look at you. Good job. Spotted baby bassอีกหนึ่ง We're gonna release it. สิปล่อยมัน 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Not a lot of fish, but it was a fun day. ปลาบ่หลายเป็นหนักมวนมาดู Took out my son and nephews to hang out and fish. พาลูกกับหลานมาเล่นกันวันครับ Don't forget to like and subscribe. อย่าลืม like and subscribe